How to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same mobile or at the same time on a single device. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to use multiple Roblox accounts and switch between them, for this you require the latest version of Roblox application installed on your Android. Likewise, open Play Store and search for an application called Island. This application allows you to clone the apps. So make sure you tap on the install button and it will be installed on your device. Next up, you'll have to search for the Roblox on the application. Then tap on plus sign to add it as a clone. Then you have to log into the first account on your Roblox application and then you can open the second account on the Island app. This way you can switch between the accounts and use it easily. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.